Today we have a Tesla S85 parts car. We'll do a quick walk around as usual. And a reminder, the vehicle is stripped of. It is missing the rear drive motor, and does not have the 85 kilowatt electric battery under the vehicle. На этой машине нету главной 85 киловаттной батареи под машину и нету заднего мотора. Остальное все есть, стоит, ничего другого не снятого. No other parts are stripped from the vehicle. It's complete as you see it. The glass seems to be good. Screen is free of defects, no bubbles. Vehicle is in tow mode, so it is free rolling. Машина сейчас в tow mode стоит, и она катится, не на тормозах. Let's wait for the screen to power on here. Parts cart. Lots and lots of good parts. The vehicle will be located here at Alpha Auto. Pickup will be from this site. We have a forklift to help load the vehicle onto a trailer. No storage fees for the first 2 weeks.